Hey, what's up? It's Mutai here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to respond to a consultancy request for proposal faster using Gemini with Canvas. Stay tuned.
Chef Shoni Mutai, a legend in the making. Chef Shoni, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world's at his feet, hear the freedom ring.
If you're new on this channel, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on jeptionyi.com to learn more. Now let's get right into today's video. So this is a request for proposal by this company called GSG Impact, and they are requesting for African Communications Agency. I've read through this request for proposal and it's fit to my company, so I'll just download the full RFP here. So I'll save it to my desktop. Once I've done saving, I'll now prepare a response to this proposal. So I'll go to gemini.google.com. Inside gemini.google.com, for this case today, I'll be using the Reasoning Math Code or 2.5 Pro. Now, I need Gemini to prepare a proposal on my behalf for my company in response to this request for proposal. So I'll just first attach the document from RFP. So we'll go to desktop and request for proposal. I'll attach it here. Then I'll write now an instruction here. So once I'm done doing this, I'll come to tools on Gemini, then select Canvas. That is it. So I'll click submit. Then let's wait for AI to respond to this request. So it may take a few minutes. I'll come back once it's done. The AI is done responding to this request for proposal, and as you can see, it's really organized. From the canvas now, as you can see on the screen here, I can edit this document. So I'll come here, I'll format it as I need it, submitted by my company. I'll just copy this document and paste it on my cover letter or my letterhead with my logo. But for now, I just need to go through this document and see if all the information is clear. So they have, this is the cover letter to the document, and as you can see, then there is technical proposal, understanding of the project and objectives, proposed approach, storytelling, content capture, content development written. There is this dissemination and etc. There is this work plan indicative from October to March. Then there is team composition. I'll have 4 people working for me. Then relevant projects that I've done. Then this is now indicative costs for this project, and then indicative budget, and then CVs as annexes. So that is how to prepare, how to respond to consultancy requests for proposal faster using Gemini and Canvas. And that is it on today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below here. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, take time to visit my website on jeptionyi.com to learn more. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Mutai.
Chef Shoni Mutai, a legend in the making. Chef Shoni, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world's at his feet, hear the freedom ring.